Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a small business owner looking to manage finances with ease, QuickBooks is one of the best accounting tools to help you stay on top of income, expenses, and taxes. Today, we're going through a step-by-step guide to using QuickBooks for small businesses. Let's get started. 1. Setting up your QuickBooks account. Sign up for a QuickBooks online or desktop account. Enter business details like name, industry, and tax info. Connect your business bank account for automatic transaction syncing. 2. Configuring your chart of accounts. Customize categories for income, expenses, and assets. Assign specific accounts for tax reporting and financial tracking. Keep your chart of accounts organized to simplify bookkeeping. Adding customers and vendors. Create customer profiles to track invoices and payments. Add vendor details to manage purchases and expenses. Store contact information for easy communication and record keeping. 4. Creating and managing invoices. Click on Invoices and select Create Invoice. Add customer details, products, services, and payment terms. Send invoices via email and track payment status in real time. 5. Recording expenses and bills. Go to Expenses and click New Expense. Select the vendor, enter the amount, and categorize the expense. Attach receipts for documentation and tax purposes. 6. Reconciling bank transactions. Go to Banking and review automatically imported transactions. Match transactions with QuickBooks records to ensure accuracy. Reconcile accounts regularly to maintain financial health. 7. Running financial reports. Use the Reports section to generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Customize reports to analyze business performance. Export reports for tax filing and financial planning. 8. Managing payroll, if applicable. Set up payroll by adding employee details and payment schedules. Automate tax calculations and direct deposits. Generate payroll reports for compliance and record keeping. 9. Setting up tax filing. Track sales tax based on location and business type. Use QuickBooks tax tools to estimate and file taxes. Keep digital tax records for easy audits and compliance. 10. Automating recurring transactions. Schedule recurring invoices for regular clients. Set up automatic bill payments for expenses. Reduce manual work and ensure timely payments. QuickBooks makes small business accounting simpler and more efficient, helping you track finances, stay organized, and grow your business. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. See you in the next one.